I hope you all are fine. Greetings of the day from Uma Devi Children's Academy. I am Navdeep Kaur and we are going to learn computers. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter. Chapter number 7. Do you know the name of the chapter? Drawing with a computer. Students, I have divided the chapter in 2 sessions and this is the first session. But before starting the video, make sure that you are using your phone in the landscape mode. You are sitting in a quiet place. You are sitting in a good network connectivity area. Use headphones for better sound quality and sit with all your essential stationery. So are you all ready? Let's begin. Okay. Students, first of all, tell me what are your hobbies? What you like doing? Some of you must like playing, others may like studying, है ना? Some of you must like spending time with your friends, right? And maybe some of you like drawing. You love drawing, na? So if you love drawing, then this is a very interesting session for you. Okay? Because today we are going to learn how to draw on computer. Do you want to know how you can draw on computer? Okay. So we can draw using a software. And what is the name of that software? It is Paint. Okay, we draw on computer using Paint program. Okay, so you want to know now how to use this program? For that, we will have to go in the virtual practical lab. There I will tell you how to paint on computer. So are you ready? Let's come.
So this is our desktop. Okay, what we have to open? We have to open Paint. Okay, so where is Paint? This is the mouse pointer. Can you see? You have to follow this. Okay, you have to see this mouse pointer. Wherever it will move, I will press that option. Okay, see, this is the start button. Can you see the start button? When I will click on this, these are the options. Okay, so second step is we have to select all programs. I have selected all programs. Now we have to open accessories. Okay? When you will open accessories, all the commands, all the drop down menus of the accessories will appear. Okay? Now in the accessories we will find Paint. Here is the Paint. So we will click on this. See, our Paint window has opened. You want to do it once more? Okay. See, these are the control buttons. You can close the Paint from this button. Okay, close button. Click on this, it's closed. Okay. See, step 1, click on Start. Step 2, click on All Programs. Step 3, Accessories, and then search for Paint. Here is the Paint. We will click on this. Have you understood how to open Paint? Okay. Now this is the Paint window. Now I will tell you all the components or all the parts of the Paint window. See, this is the title bar. Why is it called title bar? Because it contains the title of the document. Can you see Untitled Paint written? This untitled is the name of this drawing, of this page. Okay, when we will save this page or save our drawing, we will give it a new name. Then that name will be appeared in the title bar. It will be appeared here. Okay, then this is the quick access toolbar. You have to see the mouse pointer. Okay, this is the quick access toolbar. It contains the buttons that do common tasks, okay? Like saving the file, undoing the changes, redoing the changes. Okay, all these tasks can be done from the quick access toolbar. Okay, then below the quick access toolbar we have paint button. When you will click on this paint button, you will get the options to open a new page, to open the saved drawing, to save your drawing, print your drawing, and so many things. ठीक है? If you have to save your drawing, you will save from paint button. ठीक है? Okay. Next, after paint button, we have tabs. These are the tabs. Okay. Home and view. These are the two different tabs of the paint window. Then we have ribbon. What is ribbon? Ribbon contains a group of commands related to different tabs. See, tabs have different commands. So many commands. Okay, different tabs have their own commands. Like home tab, these are all the groups of commands of home tab. If you will click on view tab, these are all the group of commands of view tab. Okay, and these commands and tab, they are collectively known as ribbon. ठीक है, ribbon contains tabs and their related group of commands. ग्रुप्स कैसे हैं? अब देखो, क्लिपबोर्ड का ग्रुप ये these are the commands of clipboard group. Then this is the other group, the image group. Okay, these are all the commands of image group. Then we have tools group, and these are all the commands of tools group. Okay, we have shapes group here. These are the commands of shapes group. Then we have colors group. These are all the commands of colors group. Okay, so in this way we have different groups, and all the groups have a collection of commands. And what is this? This is the drawing area. This is the area where you will paint or where you will draw. Okay, so have you understood all the parts of the paint window? This is the title bar. Then we have quick access toolbar, ribbon, tabs, drawing area, and these are the control buttons. Can you see? Minimize, maximize, and close. These are the control buttons. Okay, you can minimize your page like this. Then again you can open it from here. ठीक है, एंड इफ यू वांट टू मैक्सिमाइज, लाइक पेज छोटा है उसको आपको बड़ा करना है तो आप मैक्सिमाइज कर लोगे यहाँ से आपका पेज छोटा हो गया. ठीक है, यहाँ से आप फिर से इसको बड़ा कर सकते हो. ओके, इफ यू वांट टू क्लोज देन यू हैव टू प्रेस दिस रेड क्रॉस बटन. ओके, सो हैव यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल द पार्ट्स ऑफ द पेंट विंडो? नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट पेंटिंग. ओके, so first of all, what you would like to draw? Okay, let's try shapes group. Okay, we have to click on home tab. All the commands of home tab will appear. Then in shapes group these are all the different shapes. ठीक है, if you want to draw oval, see I have selected oval and we will draw. If you have to draw, what you will do? See, your mouse pointer has changed to this cross, right? Now if you have to draw, you will take the mouse pointer to the drawing area and you will click the left mouse button. Which mouse button? Left mouse button. And while pressing it, you will drag the mouse. Okay, you do not have to release the mouse. You will drag it while clicking the left mouse button. And wherever you will leave the button, your image will be freezed there. Now you can no more drag it. Okay, you can draw the oval and circle from the same tool. Okay, see, इसी से सर्कल भी हो गया. आपको अपने अकॉर्डिंग माउस को ड्रैग करके रिलीज कर देना है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द सर्कल. Now if you want to draw some other picture, like you want to draw rectangle, select rectangle and draw it. Okay, you have to drag. आप इसका इमेज का साइज बड़ा छोटा जैसे भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आप जहां भी रिलीज करोगे वहीं पे आपकी इमेज फ्रीज हो जाएगी. ओके, and this is the size chart. Okay, if you want to draw a thinner line, you can select the thinner one. See, छोटी लाइन पतली हो गई है ना. अगर आपको साइज बड़ा करना है, मोटा करना है, तो आप इस टाइप से मोटा कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो फ्रॉम हियर यू कैन सिलेक्ट दी साइज. ओके, and these are all the shapes. If you want to draw a rectangle, you can draw it like this. Click the left mouse button and drag it wherever you want to drag. Okay, and you can adjust the size. अगर आपको बड़ा ट्रायंगल बनाना है तो आप ऐसे बना सकते हो. बस आपको ड्रैग करना है, कुछ भी नहीं करना है ना. Now if you want to fill the color, how will you fill the color in the drawing? You will use which option? In the tools you will use fill with color option. This is the fill with color. It fills the color. We have selected the tool fill with color. Okay, now we will choose the color. These are all the different colors. We will choose this color, and wherever you will press, the color will be filled there. Okay, see how simple it is. Now we will select other color and we will press the mouse button. ठीक है, आपको जहां भी कलर फिल करना है जस्ट लेफ्ट क्लिक कर दीजिए आप, वहां पे आपका कलर फिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, now we will select some other color and we will fill this oval with orange color. Okay, these are all the different tools of paint. When you will do it on your own, you will have more fun. Okay, so try paint, do the painting using paint, and you will understand the use of all the tools very well. Okay, this is, in this way we can fill the color in the drawing. Okay, now if you have to draw straight lines, how will you draw? If you want to draw a straight line, how will you draw a straight line? This is the tool for drawing straight line. Okay, in shapes, this is the tool for straight line, and we will draw it. Since we have selected this color, that's why it's the color of the line is this brown. Okay, if we will select black color, it will be black, and from here you can change the size of the line. Now whatever line we will draw, it will be this of the size that we have selected. Okay, in this way you can select the size of the line. You can select the size from here and color from here. Okay, see, आप different color की lines भी draw कर सकते हो यहाँ से color को choose करके. ठीक है, so have you understood how to draw the straight line? And there is one more way to draw straight line in the paint. What is that? Press the shift key, and while pressing it, drag the mouse button. Okay, see. Okay, if let's increase the size so that you can see. And I have selected black color. I will press the shift key. Okay, and I will drag the mouse. Wherever you will drag, your line will be drawn there. This is another way of drawing the line. Which key you will press on the keyboard? You will press the shift key. Okay, and while pressing the shift key, drag the mouse like this. Okay, your line will be drawn. ठीक है, and these are the two different ways to draw a line on the line in the paint. Okay, now if you want to erase the something, like if you are drawing on the paper, you simply use your eraser. But how will you erase in the paint? There is an option to erase also. You know how you will erase? See, these are the commands of the tools group, है ना? Here is an eraser. You will select this eraser and you can start erasing. And you know what? You can even increase or decrease the size of the eraser. See, this is the smaller eraser. If you will select the size to the bigger one, see, we have got a bigger eraser now. And we can erase our unwanted drawing using the eraser. Can you see? Wherever I am dragging the rub eraser, that part is erased. है ना? You will press and hold the left mouse button and then drag the eraser on the drawing. ठीक है? And the part will be deleted or erased. ठीक है? In this way you can erase the unwanted part of the drawing. Have you understood till now? Okay. Now if you want to paint using a brush, how will you paint using a brush? These are the brushes. Okay? You can choose any brush from these. Let's click on this. And these are all the different types of brushes. When we will select any brush, and I will select the color. See, I have selected the color, and now we can paint our drawing using the brush. Okay, you can increase or decrease the size of the brush, and also if the color goes out, you can erase it afterwards. है ना? We have learnt now how to erase. See, in this way you can erase the color that comes out. ठीक है? You can rub the eraser and erase the part. ठीक है? Whichever you want to erase. Have you understood how you will use the brushes? You can increase or decrease the size of the brushes also. ठीक है? You will select the color and select the brush, and see the size is decreased now. If you want to increase the size, increase the size. See, okay? You can use brush also to paint the drawing, and you can also use fill with color option. So have you understood all the things that we have learned today? We have learned drawing a rectangle, how to draw an oval, how to draw a triangle, how to draw straight lines, how to fill them with colors, how to use brush, using the eraser to erase the unwanted part. Have you understood all these things? Okay. Now let's save the drawing that we have drawn. How will you save? I have told you now, you will click on the paint button. I will click on the paint button and click on save as. See, wherever you want to save your drawing, just choose that option. We want to save the drawing on the desktop. So we will choose desktop, and here we will write the name of our drawing. Let's name it my drawing. Okay? And we will press save. So now it's saved on the desktop. Okay? And there is one more option. If you do not want to give the name to your drawing, then just simply press this save button from the quick access toolbar. Now also it is saved. Okay? Let's close it and see here on the desktop. Here is your drawing, my drawing. We will double click on this, and here it is. Okay? This is your drawing.
So have you understood? It was a fun session, na? I hope you all will try using paint in your homes also, hai na? Okay, now it's time to give you homework. Your homework is that you have to open paint program on your own and use it. I have told you na in this video how to open paint. So you will open paint in your computers at your home and on your own, and you will use it, okay? And then tell me how fun it was. And then also you have to solve brain developer exercises of this chapter, okay? In the next session, we will discuss brain developer, okay? But you have to do on your own, okay? We will only discuss. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.